it's frosty here because the sun's not been on it. But everywhere else it's nice. It's still frosty in here, look. It's still solid. The sun's not been on it. Somebody's it's like they've done a bit of woodland maintenance and put a bit of earth in there. It'll all make good. It'll all make good. It all comes back to nature at the end of the day. 7th of February 2023. Oh, this is a bit frosted here as well. That's frosted. Yep. Out with Meg again, having a walk. We're going to go litter picking, but it's not fair leaving dog on her own when it's a lovely day like this. So I decided to come out with dog. Seems to be fairly well behaved at the moment. Aye. Right, what have I been up to? Well, last couple of weeks I've been improving security on me on back of my house because someone's been trying to get over my neighbour's garage into my back garden and her back garden. So I've had a couple of weeks upgrading my security. All sorts of things. A lot of hassle really to just keep some idiot out of my garden. Or to try and stop them getting in my garden. There's no guarantees you're not going to get in still. It's going to be a lot more difficult. Unless they've got to contain me barbed wire. Looks like somebody's had a go at burning that tree down. So this is what you're up against everywhere you go, idiots. Want to ruin everything for everyone else. So yeah, they're going to find it a lot more difficult to get in my garden. I've got barbed wire up, high fencing, anti-climb paint, CCTV dummy cameras. They look like the real thing, more of a deterrent than anything else. I've also installed a proper CCTV camera that I can monitor my bike garage on 24/7 over my mobile phone, a live feed. So that's nice. No matter where I am, I can just press on and see whether anybody's broke into my garage or not. It's also got a motion detector on it that sends a signal to my phone. What else? Upgraded all my locks. Oh, fitted an alarm in the bike shed. 100 and odd decibel alarm, motion detection thing. Can't really do anything else. It's as secure as it's ever going to be. I would say I've upgraded my security. Well, I would say it were at 10-15%. I would say now it's at 98%. I can't do anything else realistically, other than go and sit down there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, which I'm not going to do. So yeah, that's that topic talked about. I've just come out with dog because it's such a nice day, and I just wanted to take her out. She's getting on a bit. She's 12 years old. I don't know what that is in dog years. She's probably about 12 or 13 in human years. So she's old, but she's not in bad health. And I thought to myself, take her out while she can. It's a shame for her really. She's no hassle. Not really. She's not a bad animal, to been a good companion for about 7 or 8 years. I got her when she was about 4, I think. So yeah, she's been a good mate. She's no hassle, look, happy as Larry, just wandering round its son. So I sat in the house after doing a little job I'd done this morning, and she's looking at me, so I'm thinking I know full well what she wants me to do. She wants to go out, so that's what we've done. We've come out. Really nice leisurely walk at my own pace, no one telling me how fast I should walk, how fast I shouldn't walk, you know, just doing my own thing, and that's what I want. That's all I want. I don't want anybody telling me what I should and shouldn't be doing, where I should be going and where I shouldn't be going, etc, etc. She's wandered off up there now. Meg! What we're saying about her behaviour. Meg, come on! What on earth has she gone all the way up here for? Prickly up here, there's all thistles. Come on, there's all thistles here. It's right prickly. Come on. Come on, stay with me on main path. That's me. Come on. There's all hawthorn up there. Come on. It is nice down here. It's Shire Brooke. It's an area called Shire Brooke Nature Reserve. It's maybe 10-15 minutes from where I live in the car. About 3 miles. So it's nice. And it's pretty quiet in the week, so that's nice. And I'm doing a video. On a Wolfang camera. This is a Wolfang 100. I paid about £40 for it, maybe 35, not a lot of money. And I've also got a Wolfang 300 which I'm going to use on the motorbike. That's got better stabilisation on it. Well, this ain't bad. This ain't a bad little thing, really, for money. Remember when cameras, video cameras, used to be the size of a house brick or a breeze block. Now they're the size of a flipping oxo cube, aren't they? Oh, a bit bigger. Matchbox, small matchbox. Yeah. What are we doing, Meggie? She's done a vanishing trick again. No, she's here. Alright, not be long now. Look better where the comes hopefully. It's nice today. Very mild. Well, not mild, but it's not cold. It's pleasant enough for walking in. Oh, let's have a sit down here for a bit. Ooh. alright, isn't it here, Meg? It's nice. Peaceful. It's peaceful, lass. Isn't it? Hey, don't you go running off like you usually do. You gotta stay with me and be a good girl. Should we go for a walk up here? Come on. See if we can get his hearts pumping a bit. Yeah, I'm going to end my video now, just concentrate on my walk. So, see how that works out. Take care everyone. Was it out?